Hey friends, my name is Amy Rebecca and welcome back to another Manifestation Monday where we get together once a month to talk about all things manifestation and law of attraction. And these weird fingers, I guess, are part of it now. So today we're going to be talking about one of the things that is definitely one of the fundamentals of manifestation and the law of attraction, but it's also just super important for everyone, whether you're interested in manifestation or not, whether you're trying to level up your life or not. Implementing this into your life, I think, is great for everyone. Also, sorry about the glare from my glasses, but my allergies are through the roof, so I can't put my contact lenses in because my eyes are like... Anyway, topic for today is going to be one of my favorite things to talk about: gratitude. I'm going to be talking you through why gratitude is so important in the process of manifestation, also outside of manifestation, and how I have my nightly ritual of expressing gratitude. Also, there's drilling going on. You're welcome. If you guys are new, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to this channel if this is the kind of vibe that you're feeling, if you want to come join the fam, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these Manifestation Monday videos. So if you guys have been subscribed to my channel for a while, or I guess more so if you've been following my Instagram for quite a while, then you have probably picked up on the fact that I am big into gratitude and gratitude lists. Not so much now, but in the past, I would share weekly gratitude lists over on my Instagram. Like, that was something that I just enjoyed sharing with you guys, and maybe I'll get back into it. I don't know, is Instagram still a thing? Are we still doing that? That's besides the point. Ever since I was maybe 15 years old, I started to realize the importance of gratitude and the importance of taking a little bit of time each day to think of something that you're grateful for. And then eventually it evolved into every night, right before I went to sleep, thinking of 3 things from that day that I could be grateful for. And that just filled me with positivity. It made me feel really warm inside, filled me with gratitude, obviously, and it was just a really nice end of the day. I think even if you have had a really crummy day, even if things have not gone your way, even if you are miserable, if you can take 5 minutes to name 3 things that you are grateful for, it instantly lifts your mood, it lifts your vibration. We talked about the whole vibration thing a couple months ago, but yeah. It just makes you feel instantly happier to focus on the good things in your life, especially on days when things are not going so well, because it's easy to get into one of those downward spirals. Like, things are not going so well, you start to focus on the negative, and then you just see so much more negative and you feel worse, and then everything's just like all downhill from there. Whereas if you can take the time to just focus on 3 things that you are grateful for, whether that's having a secure place to live, having friends and family that love you, access to clean water, clothes on your back. Don't tell me that you can't think of 3 things to feel grateful for each day. So I did that for years. It just became a habit and part of my life. And as I started to get into the whole law of attraction world, I kept hearing that gratitude was a huge part of manifesting and of like bringing more positivity into your life, which it just makes sense to me. I've talked about this a lot in these Manifestation Monday videos, but I think a lot of this is psychology. Like I said, if you're in a bad mood, if you're having a bad day, you focus on the bad things, you just see more bad things. And the flip side of that is, if you focus on the positives, if you're just grateful for what you have, you're in a better space mentally, you feel more positive, you're open to more positive things coming to you. And I genuinely think that as a result of having that mindset of like, yeah, my life is full of good things, then you will attract more good things, because people are going to come to you with more opportunities. You're going to meet nicer people. People are going to be more willing to do you favors and help you out if you are a nice, friendly, open, optimistic person, as opposed to if you're a grouch. If you're a grouch, people are going to avoid you. They're not going to do nice things for you. It's a self-perpetuating spiral of gloom. So that is why I think that gratitude is so important. That's why I practice daily gratitude, and ever since really getting into like my whole manifestation vibe, I have started writing down the things that I'm grateful for each day. And I actually went ahead and upped it from 3 things to 10 things. I will say, if you're new to this whole thing, if you've never practiced daily gratitude before, start with 3 things. Start with 5 things if you want. Start with 10 if that feels good to you, but don't feel like you have to dive in with 10 just because I'm doing 10. Like, it's so personal. Just go with what resonates with you and what feels good. So what I like to do is, at the end of every day, I sit down on my bed and I just make a list, and I number my days. So I started at day 1, now I'm on like day 60 something, and I just write down 10 things that I'm grateful for. Oops. 10 things that I'm grateful for. It could be anything. Like, so for instance, just glancing through some of the things I've written here, my bed is so comfy. I have amazing YouTube subscribers. I watched the Eurovision Song Contest tonight. Like, they don't have to be these big, huge things. They can be just the little moments in life that make you smile and make you feel happy and grateful, because at the end of the day, it's those little moments when you can focus in on them and pay attention to them and give them energy that really add up and will transform the whole way you feel about your life. Don't want to sound cheesy about it, but that's what I think. So what I do is I write out my 10 things that I'm grateful for, and then I take a moment and I read them out loud. So I read number 1, I watched the Eurovision tonight, and then I say, thank you. And I take a second to like relive that moment and feel grateful. And then I work my way through the list like that. And I always end by writing something like, God has amazing plans for me, or God is sending something wonderful my way. For you, it might not be God. It could be the universe. It could be Allah. It could be, you know, the giant omnipresent hamster wheel in the sky. Whatever works for you. But I always like to end with something positive, that like, I am safe. There is a power bigger than me that is bringing good things to me, that has my back, that is guiding me to the things that are going to make me happy in life. And that is something that I'm truly grateful for. So this is something that I've been doing for, I think, what did I say, 64 days now. I mean, I've taken some nights off, but I make time for this. This is something that I'm like, this is part of my bedtime routine. I don't want to phone this one in. I want to do this one because I know that it makes me feel so much happier. So that was just a quick little video today to encourage you guys to start doing some daily gratitude lists of your own. If you have a manifestation journal, if you don't, then may I recommend maybe getting one of my tangents that nobody asked for journals. I have this moon one that I think would be perfect as a manifestation journal. Once I finish up with this one, that's what I'm going to be using next. But yeah, I hope you guys found this video interesting, useful, entertaining in some way. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up. Let me know how your manifestations are going down in the comment section down below. But until next time, remember that I love you all so much. You are enough just as you are, and I will see you all soon. Bye guys.